Bangalorean Catholic parents in Bhandup, Mumbai, Jemimah Jessica Rodrigues is a 25-year-old batter for the Indian cricket team. Jemimah's first ever coach was her father, Ivan Rodrigues, who worked as the junior coach in Jemimah's school. Ivan continued coaching Jemimah after she founded the girls' cricket team at her school. Jemimah, a woman of many sports, as a kid played basketball and football too. She was also a national-level hockey player before opting for cricket as a full-time career. Back in 2017, Jemimah Rodrigues became the second Indian woman after Smriti Mandhana, who scored a double century in the domestic Under-19 one-day trophy when she struck an unbeaten 202. Jemimah is known for her breakout season, where she scored over 1,000 runs at an average of 112.56 in Under-19 cricket, and also performed well in the Challenger Trophy and India A Series. This led her to India's ODI squad for the South Africa tour in 2018.
I was going through a lot of anxiety at the starting of the tournament, and it was a lot, before few games also, I used to call my mom and cry the entire time, just let it all out. Because when you're going through anxiety, you just feel numb, you don't know what to do, you're trying to be yourself. And also, in this time, my mom, my dad, they supported me a lot, and it started with the anxiety thing. Then I was dropped from the team. That really hit me. And when you're dropped, you have a lot of doubts because I always want to contribute to the team. But that day, I couldn't do much sitting out. And then when you come back in, it's a lot more pressure with everything that was happening in the past month. But sometimes all you need to do is just hang in there and things fall into place. So I think, yeah. So I'm very grateful for the people who believed in me when I couldn't and were there for me and understood me. Because I couldn't do this on my own. I'm grateful to Jesus because just His presence and reading the Bible just has encouraged me in my tough times. And the Bible says that weeping endures for a night, but joy comes in the morning. And today joy came, but I'm still weeping.
An entertainer, both on and off the field, Jemmy is the heartbeat of the Indian women's cricket team. Whether it's strumming her guitar, breaking into an impromptu dance, or keeping the dressing room alive with laughter, she brings an infectious energy that's simply unmatched. As chants of India, India thundered through the stands in every corner of the nation, the medal around Jemimah Rodrigues gleamed like a promise fulfilled.